In this quick lesson, we're going to take a look at a few of the writing tool features in the Apple Intelligence beta. On both my Mac and iPhone, an article on NPR's website is open. On either device, we can jump into Reader View, which will present the article without distractions, and now also includes a Summarize button. Using this will send the article to Apple Intelligence, which will then distill it down to about a single paragraph. So after reading this summary, we can then decide if we want to dive into the full article. We're also able to use Apple Intelligence writing tools on selected text. So from here in Reader View, I'll select the text of this article. Then right or control click, and we have a variety of writing tool options here. Click Show Writing Tools to display a panel that presents pretty much the same thing as this menu. From here, we can have Apple Intelligence proofread the selected text, or rewrite the article in 3 different styles: friendly, professional, or concise. Rewriting an article in the concise style seems to cut the length down by 40 to 50%. This particular article was cut from about 660 words and 4,000 characters to about 440 words and 2,300 characters, after being rewritten by Apple Intelligence in the concise style. So this will be another way to summarize or cut down the length of longer articles. Below we have the Summarize option again, Key Points, List, and Table. Key points will break the article down into just a few bullet points with bold headings. And the List option seems to rewrite the article in list form, which can be pretty long, but may be a better way to take in information for some. So that's a quick, very early look at a few of the writing tools available with Apple Intelligence. This is very early on, as the beta has only been out for a couple days as of this recording. So how this all works could change somewhat. In the next few months, as Apple Intelligence becomes available to the public, we'll have a full tutorial available. Thanks for watching.